Welcome back to the part 8 of our Android series, how to convert any website into a professional Android app in Android Studio for free. In this Android tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a refresh layout to our Android app. So when user refresh or swipe from the top, the website will get refreshed. So in this playlist, we are learning how to convert any website into a professional Android app. So let's get started with today's part 8. So first of all, we are going to close all this code by clicking minus button here. So it make is to add the linear layout. Now we are going to wrap that full layout with linear layout. So type linear layout. So it now give its width and height to match parent. After that add orientation. So orientation will be vertical. After we are going to close it. So here automatically close tag is generated. Now cut it and add it here. Then we have to write it on our main layout. So we are going to replace our main layout with swipe refresh layout. So this is our swipe refresh layout. If you are not seeing this, then add these dependencies in your project. So this is our dependency of swipe refresh layout. I had found it from developers website. Now we are going to align this code. So press Ctrl A to select all and then press Ctrl Alt L. So this code will align as per your requirement. Then we are going to add the ID to our refresh layout so we can cast it in our Java code. So we are going to assign its ID swipe refresh layout. So after giving its ID, we are going to again Ctrl A, Ctrl Alt L. So now it's align all things. Now we are going to close this layouts, and in main activity.java we are going to cast it. So first of all we are going to write it globally. So here it is. Now here write swipe refresh layout and swipe refresh layout. After cast it on the Android on create method. So we are going to cast it here. So write swipe refresh layout is equal to find view by id r.id. Swipe refresh layout. Now to find this Control B. So this is here. So this layout is casted in our main activity.java. Now you have to add the set refresh click listener. So swipe refresh layout dot set refresh on refresh listener, then type new of on refresh listener. It will create this on refresh method. Now here we are going to reload our web view instead of recreating it. So web view dot reload. So now this is created. Now go back to the web view client which we had created in this. So find web view client. So here it is. Now add one more method to our web view client. So and that method is on page finished method. So by this method, when our refresh is finished, then we have to hide our that refresh dialog. So first of all, right there below it, write swipe refresh layout dot set refreshing to false. So our refreshing will be stopped. Now we are going to run our Android app, but by that we are going to get the all the schema into a black and white color, which not looks good. So to add the color schema to it, we are going to write the swipe refresh layout dot schema. So swipe refresh layout dot set color resources schema colors, and here we have to write all the colors. So we are going to use color dot blue, then green, color dot green, then color dot yellow. So by this we will get the variation of our colors in our swipe refresh layout. So now we are going to run our Android app. As usual, I am telling the short review of what we had done in this video. So let me start with that. So first of all, we had added the dependency of this Android X library, Android X dot swipe refresh layout 1.1.0. So this is our dependency which we had added in our application. So by that dependency we had got a swipe refresh layout, this layout. So now then we are wrap our all these activities into a vertical linear layout and set its orientation to be vertical. So obviously it will be vertical. Now we had added the id to our refresh layout. So in our main activity.java we had added this swipe refresh layout, and then we had casted it here. After we had added the set on refresh listener and created new swipe refresh layout dot on refresh listener. So then it will auto generate the on refresh method. So here we are reloading our web view. Then instead of a black and white color of our refresh layout, we had added set refresh schema color. So we got color blue, green and yellow. Then to stop our refreshing or that circle that circulates, we need to stop it somewhere. So we had done that method in our WebView client. So here in our WebView.set WebView client, this method is created in our previous tutorial. So you can check out by this given link which is in the description. So over there you have to write on page finished method. So you will get this auto generated code. Then we have to write this swipe refresh layout dot set refreshing to false. So it will be stop. Now so our application is ran. Now we are going to check out our application. So here it is. So here is our application. Now you can see when I drag this from top to bottom, we are seeing this color schema. Okay, so it is reloaded. You can see that on swiping we are getting this swipe layout. So you can choose any of the option as per your choice. Here you can use this swipe refresh layout or our loading dialog, processing dialog or a process bar that is you are showing here. So this was our 8th part of how to convert any website into a professional Android app, part 8. To watch part 9 soon, subscribe this channel and also like this Android tutorial if you had like our content. So thanks for watching Android tutorial.